北欧的冰岛伫咧当地16又个发生火山喷发，这是冰岛自从去年12月以来第4件的火山喷发。这火山的裂缝有要到3公里这长，当地拢进入紧急状态，赶紧来撤离。好在到目前为止是暂时无传出人员伤亡。
地面上一条红色的岩浆冲出来，走出来的岩浆豆豆向外扩展。北欧国家冰岛的雷克雅内斯半岛，当地16搁一摆发生岩浆喷发，侵出地面，搁真紧向北方2边拖。火警甲暗时的天顶，照到光4时，拢会马向天顶冲去。
Currently, the lavas that are coming out from an about 2-kilometer long fissure are moving towards south, so in the direction of Grindavik and to the east. The fissure that opened up was just almost identical with the area where we had the eruption on the 8th of February.
这是为去年12月以来，冰岛火山伫3个月内第4届喷发，北港口长2900公尺。冰岛气象局发出声明表示，这个岩浆是为雷克雅内斯半岛的斯托拉斯格克菲尔加哈加菲尔中的火山喷发，和当地马上宣布进入紧急状态，撤离当地居民。
The Blue Lagoon, which is very close by, has been evacuated. There were about 500 to 600 people in the area, and the evacuation has already been completed. Also, there were 5 to 10 houses in Grindavik that was occupied by the people living there. But
研究人员表示，这个爆发伫预料之内，因为地下的岩浆晚近地表时间就伫爆发进前的15分钟。冰岛当局伫几礼拜之前已经对首都雷克雅维克南边的区域发出火山喷发警告，当地南欧温泉嘛因为定地动，早伫3月初就进行撤离。 目前在各方机构的监控之下，冰岛上大国际机场凯夫拉维克机场并无受到火山影响，有关正常运作，嘛暂时无传出人员伤亡。公视新闻台是董炳玉。